Alright, Trez, hello. I thought there was a delivery man. There is no delivery man. It's okay. Alright, USD yen and US dollar seems to be still strong relatively. So how the daily candle closed at 110.37. So pretty much right now. So the main issue is in regards to sort of the trend that's present. So the 4 hour and I was asleep whilst sort of this candle, it's more like these three candles, has sort of formed. It's the stop would be at like 097, which is a pretty tight stop loss. I'd probably have it at the low of this candle here, to be honest. Now, the main concern is that where the 55-day moving averages. So it's still in a downtrend on the daily, but I'll be taking the entry sort of more on a 4 hour in regards to where the stop is. So, but I like how the daily, like a candle closing like that on the daily is quite interesting. So I'm not going to wait until later today, but I want to see how Asia plays out and then, how it holds together in London. So I'm going to continue to watch, and that's a possibility. Aussie dollar, we're seeing a little bit of weakness here. Okay, sorry, I'm watching Audusd, a documentary on Netflix as well. So we've got the Aussie dollar, and where it is quite interesting now. So we've been back here before, as you can see, and we had a little bit of a bounce. So I am quite interested. I ended this on the 7th, so it actually behaved like that on the 7th too. And we'll see really if now we're pretty much exactly where we're at, where we were at when it bounced previously. So it'd be nice to move the stop loss to break even. It's going to have to go to 70.20, so it's still going to have to fall another 40 pips or so. But I've taken this on the other account as well, so this isn't too bad. But at the same time, it's not, excellent. It's not out of the woods in regards to support and everything, and it's not running. It's not running nicely quite yet, so we'll see. I'll have a look at the pound as well. So the pound is a little bit weaker too. It is. So really an entry at the low of that candle would be sort of like a momentum play with the trend. So it's certainly interesting. USD CAD. So the strength of the US dollar is what's going on here against the majors, it appears. So USD Swiss as well. Wiki, but still. Look at Aussie yen. Jesus. It's terrible. Aussie Kiwi. No. So look, yeah, it's not a great week so far, but it's not a terrible week. So I want to see what gold's doing as well. Gold's interesting too. It's sort of still holding that level that I discussed previously too, but certainly not strong. It's certainly, yeah, it's not quite a buying opportunity quite yet. And Euro US dollar. So it's in this range. It's a little preemptive for my system to sort of take this, so I've got to be a little cautious, and I don't want to jump into it quite yet. But the main watch is our USD yen as a buy trade, to be honest. So ideally, right back up to here would be great with the stop just at the low of that candle. So the low of the candle is 0972, I'd call it. So that's where we'd sort of go. But that's about it. Guys, thank you for watching, and bye for now.